The internet. Think you used it a lot in 2020? Yeah, you did. And there's no going back. With more of us constantly connected while working from home, getting strong, lag-free Wi-Fi to our devices becomes more important than ever. Oh, you're thinking, Wi-Fi? We've got that. And yeah, you do. But your Wi-Fi sucks. You know why? It's unreliable, acts up, and displays unpredictable behavior, and has trouble passing through walls. A lot like your kids. Here's the problem. The farther you are from your router, the weaker your signal is, which means slow, unreliable internet. Last week, I held a yoga session out on the lawn to connect with nature. I held this pose for 24 minutes before I realized I dropped signal. I call this unhappy baby. But now I've unfrozen my chakra with Vilo. Vilo is a mesh Wi-Fi system that creates multiple access points wherever you need them. Just add a Vilo to any room or space where you want a stronger, faster signal. Setup is about as simple as you can get. Just download the app, plug in Vilo, and then follow the directions on screen. Plug in additional Vilos wherever signal is lacking, and you don't even have to go through the setup again. Vilo is smart enough to handle the connections for you. With smart parental controls, Vilo can pause devices for a little electronic timeout, and even makes it easy to block unwanted content or even entire websites. So you can keep your kids from stumbling across the wrong hot mail. Oh, Mama needs to borrow this for a minute. Easy to set up, designed for everyone, loaded with features, and super affordable. Vilo has it all. So stop searching for good Wi-Fi. Get Vilo and get back to living.